Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to level up maintenance in Project Zomboid. The maintenance skill increases as you use melee weapons and tools repeatedly. Every time you hit a zombie or object with a weapon, the game performs a durability check. If the weapon doesn't lose condition during that hit, you gain maintenance experience. Because of this, the skill levels naturally while fighting or using tools. One of the most reliable ways to level it is by fighting zombies with a melee weapon. Each successful hit has a chance to give maintenance XP, especially when the weapon survives the durability check. Weapons with good durability like axes, hammers, or crowbars can last longer, allowing you to gain more experience before they break. Another effective method is repeatedly pushing a door with a melee weapon equipped. It sounds silly, but it actually works, with the added benefit of your weapon not losing durability as you farm maintenance XP. Just make sure there aren't any zombies on the other side of the door you're pushing. And that's how you level up maintenance in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.